Tefen's Tech.
Hey, Tefen here from Tefen's Tech, and I just want to make this video to kind of explain what I've been up to lately and where things are going to be moving forward from here, because I know I haven't put out a video in, I don't know, a few weeks or months, something like that. Just been some crazy busy times, as you can see, with the mess all around me here. Just in the middle of working on some things, trying to do some stuff with organizing out my business files, stuff like that. Better prepare for handling, keeping things more on schedule and releasing more content in the future to come. Um, got some big announcements. Like 90 to 100% chance. Well, I can't say 100 because anything can end up happening, but so I'll go with 90%. Estimated 90% chance that I will be featuring a PC mod at Anime North coming up in May. I think it's May 24th to 26th. So that'll be located in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. So quite a big convention, around 30,000 plus people. So this will be my biggest event to date for showcasing a PC mod. So I'm very much excited. And if you are going or attending, come stop by the Gaming North section of Anime North and come to the VR booth area. So that's where you'll find me. I'll be in the VR section, showcasing my PC mod and helping run the VR area. So yeah, so that'll be pretty exciting and cool. And then following that, also be at the Forest City Comic Con as well, June 1st in London, Ontario. Decent sized little Comic Con there, and be in the Goes Entertainment not computer, but video gaming area for VR as well, and showcasing possibly a different PC mod at that event as well. Just undecided on that at the moment. So that will be pretty awesome. And then we will also, in the midst between that or before, I'm not quite sure, I got to check my calendars, but should also be at Computex 2019 as well. So that will be pretty awesome. Going to be flying out to Singapore for that, and be quite the big event. So be an interesting little vacation there as well too. So look forward to that as well. Be building. It's about like a 8 foot high computer mod with bunch of crazy stuff to it. Some other details. Can't release all that information yet. So do check back or check around for stuff on that. And then coming up in, I think, October, might end up being some other events in between. Haven't scheduled that stuff out yet as well. Also be local Battle of the Land, but that's like not a large thing people can attend. You kind of just smaller group of local people gather together, play some computer games down at Tech Alley here in London. So should also be at that at the beginning, near the beginning of May, I think May 12th, something like that as well. And then all the way forward to October, beginning of October, fairly likely will be hopefully hosting and setting up my own computer modding booth to display and show people about computer modding and feature some mods, also possibly with some other guest people to bring and show their mod as well. And yeah, that'll be at the London Comic Con. Not London, England, but London, Ontario. But also another decent con event. If you followed my other social media or videos, YouTube, you might have seen some of my event coverage of that in the past. So yeah, so that's kind of what's coming up and what's been going on. Just been working on computer mod stuff around here and getting things organized, cleaned up, rearranging my studio and workspace and things like that. So definitely got things up a bit nicer now. Still need to work on better desk solution and a camera for streaming. But great news would be some other stuff that you'll have to check out my video from Tefen.ca for the rest of the news on what's been going on with that. Go to www.tefen.ca, links to my social media there, or youtube.com/TefenCA. No dot in it though. So yeah, just TEFENCA. Anyways, check the description for links. Hit up those affiliate links and things. If you're shopping on Amazon, you can just hit that affiliate link and it'll take you directly to Amazon for computer parts and such. And from there you can browse through to get whatever computer parts, and it helps out my channel and myself and whatever doing this stuff here for whoever watches. And yeah, there's also Patreon, some other stuff on there you can check out, and links to some other videos and different social media. So yeah, check out the description, and make sure you subscribe if you're on YouTube, follow on other social media, and well, have a varied happy day.
Tefen's